Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Today we're doing some one-pan oregano chicken with rice. It's so easy. It's done in 30 minutes. It's flavorful, wonderful. Let me walk you through this. So first off, what we got here is a couple of chicken breasts cut in half, and I'm going to season them up with some salt. Some pepper. I'm a pepper lover. You guys know that. And some oregano. Of course, we're going to flip them over and do this on the other side. Okay, now we're going to add some oil to a pan. Add the chicken in. And I'm going to fry these for, I'd say, like 4 to 5 minutes. Just until it's golden brown. Now the chicken is nicely done. I'm just going to set this aside. Okay, in the same pan, you don't want to touch this pan because it's got nice flavors happening. We're going to add in a small onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and just saute these for a few minutes just until they're fragrant. And I just love these smells. And if it's a little dry, don't be afraid to add in a touch more oil. Now I'm using a cast iron pan here, but you can use the pan of your choice. Now we're going to add in a cup of rice. You can use the rice of your choice. A tablespoon of paprika, one of my favorite spices. And we're just going to give this a stir around. Next up, we're going to add up 2 cups of chicken stock. And we'll just bring this to a boil. Look at that color. Isn't it beautiful? That's what you want, is that reddish. After a boil, I'm going to put the chicken back in. And we're going to let this simmer for about, I'd say 15 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to open my umbrella and sit outside because the weather is so nice. There we go. And I should mention we've hit 500,000 subscribers, and I want to thank you guys so much for subscribing. And we're going to do a giveaway, but I'm not sure about what, so I'll let you know in the next video. About halfway through, and this smells absolutely delicious, I'm going to add in just a few frozen peas, just for some greenness. After about 15 minutes, just look at this, guys. Incredibly delicious. And there you have it, our oregano chicken with red rice. Okay, let's give this a taste test. This is so good, guys. The rice, the chicken, the spices, the paprika. I just love it. I'd eat this all day. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff over there. You're going to love it. Thanks for subscribing, and see you next time.